Hey everyone, thought I'd do a quick walk around in my 1979 Honda CBX. I've almost completed the restoration. As you can see, it has 43,000 miles on it. I did replace the face plates on the gauges. Found a really nice set of switches on eBay that didn't have any of the letters worn off. Nice bright orange and yellow buttons. As you can see, the bike's been completely repainted. I have another YouTube video explaining the steps I took to do that. The seat has been recovered. Also just put a set of the Delcavec reproduction pipes on it. Absolutely beautiful reproduction. I just have a few minor things to do to it, and then it'll be complete. I'm trying to keep this as close to the original stock bike as I possibly can. I do need to put a set of tires on it still. These have gone past their date code and they're kind of worn. Of course, when I got it, the carburetors needed to be rebuilt. All the O-rings had dried up and it was a mess. It was pouring gas out of every place it could. Anyway, that's a quick walk around. I'm going to get ready and I'm going to take it for a ride.